Hi, here is the Kyocera Lynx 70 overall conditions, and here is the battery compartment using one CL123A battery. Okay. After that, by pulling here to open the back cover. And here's the film, so we need to slide into it to make sure that the center point of the motor fit into the canister. Okay, then push it inside and pull the film tip to here. Okay, like this, and make sure your film is flat like this, and just close it. Okay, when here show figure 1, which means that you can start shooting right now. So we just on the button. Okay, here's the zoom, and here's the shutter. So every time you want to shoot, look into the viewfinder. At the viewfinder, center part of the viewfinder got a dot, so you just use that dots to aim whatever you want to focus and half press. Okay, if it doesn't blink, it's light up like this, which means that it's okay, then you just click it. Yeah, if it's blinking, which means that the current shutter, the red light stands for flash, which means that the flash doesn't ready. If the green light keep blinking, which means that it can't focus, so maybe you slightly adjust a bit, then only you can shoot it. Yeah, you see the red light keep blinking because it's charging the flash. Then here is the flash setting, but usually I would recommend you just put it at fully auto will do. And here's the timer. When you click it, it start counting already. Yeah, you see here got the red light. It's like 10 seconds like that lah. Okay, then this is a quite simple camera, so yeah, it's zoom, then the flash setting, timer, and shoot it. Then here is the panorama, which it can be like small, the wider lah. Yeah, the more narrow like this, normal is bigger, and I would recommend you just put it at normal shoot will do lah. Yeah. Then off it, and here is the date function. You can adjust it, or if you don't want, you just switch the mode to like this, which means that it's off. If you want like the date imprinting, then you just click the select button, let it blink, then you adjust to the year you want. This one is the month, date, year, and yeah, it does that until like 2024. So maybe some people will set like date and time. And when you should finish, it will auto rewind, so no worry in using, and hope you enjoy it.